getting the "an unknown network error has occurred" pop-up when logging into Instagram on your iPhone? No need to worry. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix this issue. So without any delay, let's dive right into the solutions. Solution 1. First, check if your internet is working fine. To do this, open up a browser of your choice. Then, go to any link you want and see if the page loads up properly. If not, then turn on airplane mode for a few seconds and then turn it off. After that, check if the issue is fixed. You can also try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa and see if that helps. Solution 2. Set correct time and date. For this one, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then, scroll down a little and tap on General. Next, tap on Date and Time. Now, check if the Set Automatically feature is on. If it's on and you still have the wrong time, toggle it off and set the correct time yourself. After that, check if the error is gone. Solution 3. Offload Instagram. To do this, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and tap on General. Then, tap on iPhone Storage. Now, scroll down until you see Instagram, then tap on it. Next, tap on the Offload app button. Then, tap on Offload app, and it will be offloaded. Now, just tap on Reinstall app and install will begin reinstalling. Once it's finished, check if the issue is fixed. Solution 4. Reset network settings. To do this, open the Settings app again. Next, just scroll down and find General, then tap on it. Now, scroll down a little and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then, tap on Reset and then on Reset Network Settings. Lastly, tap on Reset Network Settings. And your network settings will be reset. Now, the error should be gone. So that's how you fix the "an unknown network error has occurred" error in Instagram on your iPhone. If the video did the trick for you, smash that like button. Got any questions? Feel free to drop them in the comments below and I'll hit you back real soon. As always, thanks for watching.